Our Kate Rooney joins us now with a look at what cryptocurrency could be stealing, the Bitcoin spotlight, and why. Hey, Kate.
Hey, Carl. Yeah, we usually focus on Bitcoin, but the world's second largest cryptocurrency had an even bigger month. Ethereum, or Ether, was up almost 70% for July versus about a 30% jump in Bitcoin. A lot of the smaller cryptocurrencies also got a bit as well. They're still down for the year and well off of those November high, those. The July bounce has been partially macro-related. Cryptocurrencies are still tracking tech stocks for the most part and really have been sensitive to things like rate hikes and inflation data. But the optimism around Ethereum is specific to that network. Ether is the cryptocurrency tied to the Ethereum network. Developers tend to use that blockchain network to build things like NFTs, for example. And it's in the process of what you can think of as pretty much a software upgrade. The whole thing and the way the whole thing is run, or validated as they call it, is going to change. And the way new crypto is created will become a little bit more energy efficient and therefore more environmentally friendly. The carbon footprint for crypto really has been a knock against cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in particular. The date for what people are calling the merge is now on track for September 19th, but that date had been pushed back multiple times, so there is still a little bit of skepticism. Either way, crypto investors are pouring into this trade ahead of that date. One big sign, the number of addresses, or essentially people who hold Ethereum, jumped to a 15-month high in July. There's also been a jump in spot volume on exchanges. And then you can also see some of the bullishness playing out in the derivatives markets. This chart here from Glassnode and Fundstrat shows what Fundstrat called a parabolic increase in the open interest for Ethereum futures. It's getting close to that high back in November, and this is across all global crypto exchanges. The majority of those are call options, or the option to buy. The September and December expiration dates are especially popular, with crypto investors hoping for some sort of sustained rebound in Ethereum after a pretty tough year for that cryptocurrency. Sarah.